Disconnect the seat by removing the 2 cotter pins and the 2 hinge pins. And repeat that process on the driver's seat as well. Now remove the seat from the vehicle. Undo the seat belt for easy access to the backrest. Unzip all 3 zippers along the edge of the cover and position the cover so that the zippers are on the back of the seat. Slide the cover over the cushion, starting with the driver's side corner first. Then work the cover around the opposite corner. Once the cover is pulled down fully over the cushion, close the zippers on each end and finish with the middle zipper. While we're here, I want to point out that we get a lot of calls about this specific cushion. This is the only one that does not get removed from the vehicle. Our cover is designed to go over the cushion and the frame of the seat while it's in the vehicle. It can be challenging if you're installing it into an R version with the cabin trim pieces, but as you can see here, it can be done. So whatever you do, please do not cut the cover. And please don't hesitate to call if you're struggling and need help. Reconnect the seatbelt after you've finished installing the passenger backrest cover. Unzip and position the cover with the zipper to the rear opposite the hinge pins, and slide the cover over the base cushion. Make sure that the cutouts in the seat cover line up with the hinge points on the bottom of the seat. Unzip and open the Velcro closures. Position the cover with the zipper down and slide the cover over the base cushion. Make sure that the holes in the seat cover line up with the plate on the bottom of the seat. Once pulled tight to the back of the seat, zip it up. While holding the lower Velcro flap tight to the back, pull out any remaining slack from the upper Velcro flap and secure the 2 flaps together. Undo the Velcro flap and unzip the zipper on the back seat cover. Position the zipper to the rear and slide the cover over the back cushion. Once the cover is pulled tight to the bottom of the seat, close the zipper on the back. While holding the back Velcro flap tight, pull out any remaining slack from the front flap and secure the 2 flaps together. Replace the seat and secure it using the 2 hinge pins and the 2 cotter pins you pulled out previously. Repeat the same process of replacing the hinge pins and the cotter pins on the passenger seat. And there you have it. You've successfully installed your John Deere premium seat cover.